Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you this crocheted hijab pin, and this pin is really beautiful. So I hope you'll like this hijab pin and you can make it easily. In this project I need jump ring, beads, hijab pin, flower and glue and needle. First I take a small size jump ring. Now I take some beads in this tray. I like white colors. I'll make this hijab pin with these white beads. So I take some. I put this jump ring in the yarn. Now I take all beads one by one. Now I join these beads with this flower. And I make a two knot. Now I lock and I cut the yarn. Now I put this circle ribbon by glue, and then I'll join with this hijab pin. Gently and little bit pressure on it. Now I open this hook and I put this jump ring inside the needle. Now I close the hook. So it's really beautiful and so pretty. I hope you will like this video, and if you want you can make it very easily. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Bye.